Good afternoon. Welcome to Options Center. It's been a while, you guys. We're going to go through SPX and check up on things. We haven't done anything in price action for 6 weeks, so I think we're at another critical point. So I wanted to put in a review here, a market review, so we can dive right into this right now. If you're new here, go down to that bottom right-hand corner, hit that Options Center logo, and subscribe. We have SPX on the cusp of breaking out to the upside, but will we? I don't know. We have this 20-month moving average, so important. We're right at it. It's at 41.67, and we came up to it earlier. We're at 41.55 right now so far, just slightly rejecting off there. You see, we're pushing off of that 8 EMA, so that's what's happening. We're getting squeezed right between these two MAs. The 8 is our trending moving average, which is holding price up. The 20 is our bear bull threshold. So we need to get over that and make it support in order for us to change bullish. We are points away from doing that. If we get denied here, I'm a bear underneath this moving average. And you'll see some other things on different charts. I'm a bear underneath this moving average. And if we get over it, then we have to start looking at more bullish scenarios. Okay. But so we're right underneath, we're pushing off, we're getting squeezed, and we're going to make a very large move real soon here, whether it be to the upside or downside. Okay, indicators, neutral, kind of looking like they want to push up. Let's go to the weekly time frame. And if we start to make some moves, I'll start doing these videos more often again. I just took a little time to do other things while we're waiting for all of this. Okay, so again, lower highs, lower lows, nothing's changed on that. We're pushing off this 8 EMA for the weekly time frame. So you see things are firming up. Could we break out? Yeah, I've been a bear this whole time. Yes, I told you that we're going to be a bear underneath that 20-month moving average. So it looks like it's firming up. Can we be breaking out on the RSI in the MACD? Well, from the RSI point of view, I think it's just more of a flag, but we're really pushing limits of the bears. Okay, and there's I'll show you some scenarios that are going on. So let's move over to daily. Trend is our friend, and all we want to gather from that weekly time frame was that lower highs, lower lows. That has not changed yet. And you see we're still triangulating in the indicators here. So that tells me that there's no real breakout yet. And on this time frame, we'll look at a couple different frames. We're right back at resistance. So be careful on what you claim is happening. We're right back at resistance. It's a critical point. We get above here, use that as support. Then I'm telling you, we're going up to 4,300. And it's going to happen probably pretty quick. We've been just consolidating in here for so long. And this would end up being a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to this scenario to end, possibly in this move, but then we have to put the bullish scenarios on the table because we're above that 20-month moving average. Now, this is going to be a difficult area to get through. I don't know if we're going to get there by Friday or whatever. We have Powell talking on Friday. I don't know what the catalyst will be, but let's just watch this level. So far above the 8 EMA, the 20, this is all firming up for the bulls. Okay. Let's go to, how about the Elliott wave picture? On this Elliott wave picture, it is clear what we are battling. And that's that 50, let me take this off. We do not need that anymore. This 50% retracement from all-time highs, that has been a clear wall. We get above that, use that. You see I have these little numbers. That's kind of a alternate bear scenario. There's a total bullish scenario available as well. But this would be this would be 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5, up to that 618 retracement. And then we should reject hard from there if it's a true bear market. If we're getting into a bull market, that's not going to stop price. Let's see, what else can I say? We got to move these. That would be, if we break down from this point, then this would just be moved right here. And that would be just 1, 2, where we had I can go down to the 65 minute. And somehow we'd have to get 5 waves out of this for an impulsive wave down. And then this would be an A, a smaller degree A. And this would be a triangulating B, and then a 5-wave move up for C. And that would end it. We'd end now, and we'd move down from here. So we're still having trouble at that 50% retracement. And I'm going to go to the NASDAQ. And how about QQQ? Let's see what we got going here. We'll go to the Elliott wave picture on here just so I can show you. Elliott wave. So I can show you what we're facing against right now. So possibly the B wave is over, where we have an A for the first move down all year. A B, as in this is correction, might be over here at this 50% retracement, the 331. And so far it's just slightly rejecting, nothing big. And then you get our other C wave move down. That's a bearish scenario. So this whole plane here for the NASDAQ was to creep up to the 50% retracement. And it did it, and it tagged it today. Now, what happens? We can go to the daily for this. What happens if you see SPY breaking out from that point that it's at right now? Well, you're probably going to see QQQ do the same thing, and we're going to go up to that 350 area. So critical. Okay, that's all I want to show on QQQ. Let's go back to SPX, and then we'll go on the 65 minute, and we'll change the board up so we could just see what we're looking at in the short term. Maybe translate that onto SPY or ES. I use them all. So but I'm just going to show you on SPX right now, on the hourly time frame, what we've been doing. And you can see this 6-week long, 7-week long, whatever it is, it's been right in this range. The 2 purple lines here, we're right at the top of that range again. So we're right at resistance. We'll see what happens. Even if price gets above, you still have this, we're also, look at this, the uptrend. The uptrend there, didn't even notice that earlier. The uptrend, let me put it on the low there. So we tagged the uptrend line, so we could be just back testing again. So if we start breaking down from this triangle and underneath this low here, then we're going lower. If we break above and make this 4160 area support, then we're going, like I said, 4300, and it should be fairly quick. And I also can show you this other board, and we've looked at this one in the past, and really, you know, not a whole lot's happened. We're just breaking out of a triangle, but it appears that that triangle just broke out, maybe possibly a wave B, and that we're ending at a wave C, and that we're going lower now. I do have some sort of straddle on. It's actually at long SPY and short QQQ, because QQQ just came back to its 50%. So we'll see how that goes. And I want to show just the default page here that we're just in this range. This is just a range of chop. And until we break underneath these lows, and I would actually move it up to here now. This is most important at 4100. Then we're going lower, and probably quick. But these lows would definitely put the nail in the coffin. So that's all I wanted to show you. Thanks for watching here at Options Tenor. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll talk to you soon.